You are watching Bible Reading for Kids. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. Psalm 1 for Kids, easy explanation. Blessed is the one who doesn't follow bad advice, or hang out with people doing wrong things, or make fun of others. This means a happy person doesn't listen to people who do bad things. They don't copy them or make fun of others. They choose good friends and kind actions, but they love God's word and think about it all the time, day and night. This means a good person loves what God says in the Bible. They keep thinking about how to be kind, loving, and fair all the time. They are like a tree planted near water. It gives fruit at the right time. Its leaves don't dry up, and everything they do goes well. This means a good person is strong like a tree near a river. They grow, help others, and don't give up. God helps them succeed in the right things. But bad people are not like that. They are like dry leaves blown away by the wind. This means people who don't listen to God are like dry leaves. They have no strong roots and can get lost or blown away easily. They won't be able to stand before God when He judges. They won't be with good people. This means God sees everything. Bad people can't hide. They won't be part of God's happy family if they keep doing wrong. God takes care of good people, but those who do bad things will lose their way. This means God watches and protects people who choose to do good, but people who keep doing bad things will face trouble. So children, let's choose to walk the good path, love God. Be kind, listen to His word, and help others. God will bless us like a strong, happy tree. Thank you for watching. Remember, you are loved, and you are growing like a happy tree. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video. God bless you.